In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Airbnb listing. If you need to temporarily stop receiving bookings without permanently removing your property, pausing your Airbnb listing is a simple option. This is useful if you're doing maintenance, taking a break from hosting, or updating your space before welcoming guests again. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change with confidence. Start by opening Airbnb and signing in to your host account. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the listing you want to pause. If you use both hosting and traveling features on Airbnb, the platform may not open directly in the host view. Once you're signed in, switch to hosting mode if needed. This step is important because listing controls are only available from the hosting side of the platform, whether you're on the website or using the app. From there, go to listings and select the specific listing you want to pause. If you manage more than one property, take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct one before making changes. Next, open the listing settings, sometimes called the listing editor. This is where Airbnb stores the controls for managing visibility, booking options, and listing details. After that, look for the listing status or availability settings. The exact wording can vary a little depending on the version of Airbnb you're using, so don't worry if the menu labels look slightly different. You're looking for the section that controls whether the listing is live and bookable. When you find it, select the option to unlist or pause the listing. In some cases, Airbnb may label this as unlist, deactivate, or something similar. The purpose is the same. It removes your listing from search results so new guests can't book it. If Airbnb asks for a reason, choose the option that best matches why you're pausing the listing. This is usually just for platform feedback and account management, so select the most appropriate response and continue. Then confirm your selection. Once confirmed, the listing should no longer appear in Airbnb search results for potential guests. After that, verify that the listing status now shows as unlisted or paused. This final check helps you make sure the change was successfully applied and that your property is no longer accepting new bookings. Whenever you're ready to host again, return to the same listing settings and choose Publish or Relist to reactivate the listing. That will make it visible again and allow guests to start booking. And that's how to pause your Airbnb listing quickly and safely.